Hello, I'm Kris Lukish, and today I'm in Central Sterile Processing in the Weinberg basement. I'm not sure what they're going to have me do today, but I'm anxious to get started.
First thing we're going to do is put on your PPE.
I was a little nervous, but I was actually really happy because I've always thought that this is such an important department. Wow, I didn't realize you all did all this.
That's always first thing. Make sure that you're protected first, because once you leave this room, you could carry something out of this room to your home, to your kids, and we don't want that. Doesn't look too dirty, but it is dirty. So what we're going to do is put it in the sink to rinse off all of the viruses and bacteria.
I think I lucked out that my tray of instruments was not too messy.
So you take this brush, and you could take this, and you could squeeze.
Yeah.
And you can just see on the inside. Could you see how sometimes there could be blood, or sometimes it comes down with flesh, bone, all kinds of things on the inside. So you want to brush that out.
Yes.
This is the first line of defense for an operating room. We have to make sure that everything down here is clean when it goes up.
So it's like a major dishwasher.
Almost, yes. So now we know that in 28 minutes, this will be ready on the other side.
So where are we now?
We are in the central sterilizing department. This is the clean area,
This just came out of the washer.
right?
Where are we going to go from here?
We bring it to the assembly station.
We've got some really great people here in Central Sterile. I knew we did, but it was so nice to meet them and to see them be able to shine on what they do best.
Our job is a good one because we take care for the patient. That's why I'm proud of my job.
It was kind of fun to see there was some instruments that I recognized, like a spoon. I would have never expected to see a tablespoon in a tray. And then there was other instruments that I looked at and had no idea what they were. So there's a lot of details that our patients are counting on to make sure that we get what we need in the OR.
Okay, that's
So
it.
it goes all the way.
All the way, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to close the door
Yeah, close the door,
and
right.
lock it, right?
Okay, that's right. Oh, that's it.
I'm so appreciative of what I learned today, and I thank you for watching and your commitment to the Johns Hopkins Hospital.